Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thinking about dropshipping with Wix and Modalyst. In this quick 5-minute guide, I will break down all the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right combo for your business. Pros: easy integration. Wix and Modalyst. Wix connects directly to Modalyst. You don't need any third-party tools. It's built right in under Wix's e-commerce apps. Then fast product importing. With just a few clicks, you can import products from suppliers into your Wix store, complete with images, prices, and variants. Then US and global suppliers. Modelist has a wide range of suppliers, including US based brands and fast shipping options for global delivery. Then, branded products and custom packaging. Some suppliers offer white label options, meaning you can sell products under your own brand name. Then, automated inventory and order sync. Modelist automatically syncs stock levels and order tracking, reducing manual work and order errors. Unlike AliExpress, Modelist focuses on quality over quantity. You will find a more curated catalog with better photos, descriptions, and supplier ratings, ideal for a professional brand image. Wix automation tools. Using Wix automations, you can set up automatic emails when someone places an order, cart reminders, or even shipping notifications, all without extra apps. Now, cons: limited product variety compared to AliExpress. Modelist's catalog is smaller than marketplaces like AliExpress or Desserts. If you want niche products, options can be limited. Then paid plans required. Required for more items. The free plan only lets you list about 25 products to a scale. You will need to upgrade to a paid plan starting around $35 per month. Since many model list items are higher quality or US based, the base price is often more than typical dropshipping sources, cutting into your profit margins. While Wix is user friendly, it's not as SEO strong or scalable as Shopify or WooCommerce for large e-commerce operations. Shipping speed and availability depend on each supplier. You don't always get tracking information immediately, and delivery can vary, especially for international orders. Modelists A Modelist with Wix is mostly self-contained, but if you need third-party automation, advanced marketing tools, or multi-channel selling, Wix has fewer options than Shopify or WooCommerce. Bottom line, Wix Plus Modelist is perfect for beginners looking to start fast with branded products and automation. But if you need high volume low cost scaling, look elsewhere. To warp it up, if you are a beginner looking for a clean, branded, and quick dropshipping setup, Wix Plus Modalyst is a solid option. But for serious scaling or full customization, you may outgrow it first. Hit the like button, subscribe for more real e-commerce breakdowns, and let me know what platform combo you'd like reviewed next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.